Hello guys, DigiJam here. So today I'm going to do these videos a little bit differently, just basically going to experiment to see how this turns out, and if you guys think it's better than how I've been doing the ones with the subtitles, brilliant. If not, I'll go back to the subtitles. But basically I challenged myself today to create a game called Dead of Night. The idea was to have a scary kind of one where something will jump out at you. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I've got trees that have wind effects applied to them. Create that nice little cursor in the middle there, but let's get some movement rather than just waffling. So this is the first bit, which is kind of interesting. You've got to find your way to the end without getting scared. So when that happens, you'll have to try again. So it's simple enough. Click the button, start again, and then just wait a moment for it to load in. And then we go, and so I now know I can't go down that path because, you know, death. So what I'll do is carry on going the way that I believe is correct and see if I can get to safety without, or not. As we see, even I don't remember the map that I created myself. Let's try again, right. But this was quite a fun game to make actually. It took me about 6 hours to do for a one-day challenge. I'm quite pleased with how this one has come out. I've sculpted and made the whole terrain, which is pretty cool. Obviously, as you can see, the wind there. I was toying with adding some fog, but I don't know, it didn't quite complement the effect I was going for, so I've taken the fog out. Obviously, playing with some lighting. That thing which is poking out at the bottom of the camera there, that is meant to be a torch. It's literally just a cylinder. Yeah, I wasn't going to go into great detail for something I'm just modelling and playing around with in a day. But obviously, yeah, there's a light attached to that source, and this is what creates the looking light effect. And obviously, yep, a bunch of trees that we added, which was a pretty interesting way of doing that, but involved a little bit of code and manual placement. Obviously, some of the trees, as you see, are a bit funny, you know, the way they're rooted. But as I say, this is going to be done in a day. If this was something I was working on permanently, I'd put a lot more effort into that. But yeah, here we are, we're at the end now, so we're now safe, and it says you escaped. Play again. Obviously, if we want to play again, click that, it will take us back to the title screen, which gives us the name of the game. Start the game, and then we're back to where we are here. So obviously this is an experimental video. What I was thinking is, if enough people say that they like these, would you want to see some of the back end stuff? Giggly. Where you can see some, maybe the code and how I actually made some of the stuff using the game engine. If that's something you think would be pretty cool, yeah, let me know in the comments or wherever you see this video. I'm sure I can pick it up. Yeah, I can add that to some of the future builds and future videos that I will make. If not, if you think this is all pretty boring and you're like, Jamie, I just want to read, I will stick back on the subtitles and then we'll take it all from there. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube, please drop a sub, then yeah, I'd appreciate that. Take care now. Bye bye.